Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then begin immediately. Open Android Studio and create a new project with a sensible package name. Choose Kotlin for modern APIs and pick a basic activity template so you have a launch point. Once done, configure Gradle settings and SDK versions to match your target API level, then connect a physical device or set up an emulator. Make sure USB debugging is enabled on your device so you can run and iterate fast. You now implement the app's core. Design responsive UIs using constraint layout and material components so your screens scale. Then, structure code with view model and repository patterns to separate UI from business logic. Use live data or Kotlin flow for state and room for local storage. Once that's in place, add background tasks with Work Manager and request runtime permissions where necessary. Make sure to handle lifecycle events and configuration changes to avoid leaks and to keep the user experience smooth. You finish by preparing a release. Increment version code and version name, create and secure a signing key store, then build an AAB for Play Store publication. Once done, run thorough testing across devices and use lint and instrumentation tests to catch issues early. Make sure Play Store listing assets and permissions are correct before uploading. If something goes wrong, like Gradle sync or signature errors, first clean and rebuild. Invalidate caches in Android Studio, and verify Gradle plugin and SDK versions to resolve common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.